Good morning, what's going on? Welcome to MotoPOV. We are back on the daily ride on the Yamaha FZ6. It's a blue sky kind of day. Yesterday was not. My gloves are still wet. My jacket is still wet. Absolutely horrible. Yesterday was the heaviest rain I think I've ever experienced on a bike. I think I need to get some fuel actually. Done 110 miles? I don't know how much this is going to cost. Yeah, so the topic of today's video is going to be places I'd like to travel on a motorbike, slash places I've already been that would be amazing on a motorbike. So yeah, I'd probably say the top. There's quite a nice route you could do actually to see some of the best places in Europe on a bike. The best place to see in Europe, I reckon, would be actually northern Italy. Obviously southern Italy would be beautiful as well. I've not actually been to southern Italy, but northern Italy in the Dolomites and the mountains, I can't even explain how amazing it is to see such fucking beauty. And the roads there, oh my god, the roads. I was in a 3.5 ton van. It was very slow. It's like 16 years old. It was beautiful. The roads are perfect. The mountains were fucking stunning. Loads of beautiful little sort of places to stay in the mountain regions. And I think the ride there would be absolutely amazing. Being able to ride, you'd get to see a bit of Belgium, Germany, Austria, and then across into Italy, and then probably back through Switzerland. That'd just be the ultimate road trip for me. Yeah, I think that'd be the ultimate road trip. Getting to experience all of those places by bike, it would just be amazing. The Furka Pass, the Sella Pass, it would just be the best thing ever. All of the pass roads are beautiful, the roads are perfect. Yeah, it'd be pretty busy, but if you choose your time of year right, I think it'd be perfect. Saw so many motorbikes. That's what actually got me into motorbikes, like thoroughly, because I didn't have my license when I was out there. Look at all these suckers in their cars. I lost my train of thought now. Yeah, Italy would be amazing. Austria would be equally cool. There's some stunning roads there. Oh yeah, I saw bikes when I was out there, that was what I was saying. The amount of Touras and everything else that I saw out there just made me incredibly jealous. I pretty much spent that entire year researching bikes, watching YouTube videos like this sort of thing, like motovlogs and people riding, and just to get an idea of it and what it would be like to do daily, or to have in my life. And it's everything I expected, to be honest, which could be why I like the whole Tourer concept more than any other bike. Possibly. I actually don't think it is that. I've just got a bit of a soft spot for Taurus, I think. Going straight on. mean, I'd love to do the whole tip of sort of northern Spain all the way down to the south tip of Portugal. I think that would be one of the best rides for weather and for views and little towns and villages. It's beautiful. I intend to do a lot of European travel in my time. I still want to get back out in the van, but I think on a bike I think it'd just be the best thing. You'd be able to see so much. Yeah, I need to go to Italy on a bike. I think that's my I'd say security for a field. Alright. What are they growing? Right, we're coming towards the end of the road. Thanks for tuning in. Moto POV. Daily Rider. Hope you have a good rest of your week, and I'll chat to you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.